Very, very little. Spoke too soon?
I'm out. Nope. Nope. You're just gonna go ahead and eat yours. It's okay. This isn't even the part where we eat it yet, so we're good.
Yet.
Like I said forever ago, I will eat at least one whole pepper of every pepper that I grow. And today we are doing a Bleeding Borg 9. See if you can see that. Kind of. Maybe. And I have Chas here with me today. He's the unfortunate one that's gonna eat this with me. And hopefully throughout the rest of the season, depending on how today goes, we'll see.
Really kind of nervous.
You taking that one?
Yeah.
So Chas is gonna take the smaller one. There it is, Bleeding Borg 9. Let's see if you can see that. Got the color bleeding up into the stem there. So we're gonna go ahead and cut into this, see what the inside looks like. Not too bad. Not too bad so far. Ooh, that doesn't look too scary.
Very, very little. Spoke too soon?
I'm out. Nope. Nope. You're just gonna go ahead and eat yours.
Oh god, look at how much like oil there's actually in there.
Holy cow. I don't know if the camera will pick it up.
Oh. This one's probably pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. So I don't know if you can see that. There's so much oil in there. This is gonna be fun. All right. So we're both eating a whole one. I cut this one in half just to see the inside. We're both gonna eat a whole one. This is gonna be fun.
Do we need a timer?
Sis, get a timer ready. Don't start it until both of us are completely done.
Are we doing it? Are we chewing for an amount of time?
No, we're just gonna get them down as quickly as possible, and then start the timer for 5 minutes and see if we can get through that 5 minutes. Mine's huge. Okay. 1, 2,
Scared.
3, go. It's sweet. Holy cow. I can't get it down. It's really sweet.
I already swallowed mine.
Okay, start the timer.
I started it. You're minute 30 in.
Nope, restart it because we can't start until we're done chewing.
Okay, it started.
Doing all right there?
I kept it like.
So far, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
I don't want to jinx it.
I told you every single time I will get hiccups.
Whew. Okay, it's building.
Yeah, definitely.
So it was super sweet. It Woo.
Mine was like almost bitter. Must have been because it was so small.
Wow. My eyes are watering. So it's still building. My tears are burning.
I'm sweating a little bit.
Me too. So it tasted actually better than I thought it was going to. I expected just this horrible, nasty pepper. I was pretty surprised. And I'm still going to say it's not as hot as I expected it to be.
I can definitely feel it going down my throat now.
Yeah, back of the tongue. Feel it in the back of the tongue, back of the throat, sides of the tongue.
I'm still getting bits in my teeth.
Yeah. Woo! Still building. I thought it peaked, but it didn't. Oh man,
Are you doing okay?
I'm doing better than I thought I was gonna do. My eyes are watering and I'm sweating. Your hiccups are gone.
Yeah. I kept it on my tongue way, like on the tip of my tongue way too much.
3 minutes left.
We've only been 2 minutes? That's it?
That's it.
Yikes.
Well, yeah, because we started that like a minute after almost.
Oh, because she started the timer
It's a
too
minute
soon.
and a half after. How can you know?
I'm starting to feel it.
In my stomach.
Yep.
It's like right here at the top.
You can just feel it moving down. Whoo!
Man.
My mouth is watering. My eyes are watering.
Your eyes are all red.
My eyes feel red, if
Both
that
your
helps.
eyes are red.
Oh, Chas's whole neck is turning red.
So is
Alright.
yours.
Yeah, but you're whiter than I am.
Yeah, so it shouldn't be such a surprise.
Get rid of these.
Oh.
Okay, so the mouth burn's going away.
Stomach is very starting to set in.
Yeah. My mouth is tingling a little bit. Like right there, I'm tingling.
I think the stomach burn is gonna be worst.
Yep, that stomach burn's definitely gonna be worse. You can already feel it.
Be worse than
It just like goes away and you can just feel it just all the way down.
Yeah, mouth burn is fading, but I'm starting to tingle. My lips are tingling. The sides of my mouth are tingling. And I can just feel it.
It's almost like heartburn.
Yeah. It's starting to move down. I don't think I'm gonna have too bad of cramps or anything though, so that's good. Mouth burn is coming back. It's coming in waves. Whew. I'm still gonna say that's not as bad as I expected it.
No. I was like really, really nervous.
1 minute.
So, what the Scoville on this? They don't know for sure.
They say it's like 1 million to 15, like 1.5.
Yeah, so they don't know Scoville for sure. Somewhere 1 million plus. That makes me feel a little bit better about some of the other peppers I've got growing over there. Because this wasn't too bad.
2 million still gonna suck.
2 million is definitely gonna suck. But that wasn't horrible. The plant I've just got in a little crafty system. I've got a few more growing on here, but they're all kind of little mini guys. And what's funny is I had a big one come off like 2 weeks ago, and it was ripe, and Chas wanted to do this with me, so I couldn't just eat the one without him. It's okay, I don't need a drink. So 5 minutes is up, I don't need a drink. I think we're good. So he wanted to do this with me, and then I had the 2 peppers that we just ate, and they were roughly the same size. They started ripening up at the same time, and so we're like, awesome, let's do it. Well, now it's July 3rd. These guys have a party to go to as soon as they're done here, and we're just kind of scrambling to get this done because both of them are ripe, and we didn't want them to get more ripe than they already were. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna say that's good. Overall, that was much better and easier than I thought it was gonna be. At first, I thought it was gonna suck when I first started chewing that.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't crunchy, so it wasn't very crunchy. You bite into it, and it's just kind of gave way, and it was kind of juicy a little bit. And so, chewing it, I was just like, oh no, this is gonna suck.
You could definitely feel that oil just hit your tongue and just like
Yeah.
spread all the way across it.
Yeah, as you're chewing it, seriously, you know all that oil is just in your mouth, moving around, and it's gonna suck. But no, that wasn't bad. Wife's gonna be happy because she's cooking dinner right now, and it's gonna be done anytime now. So I can still eat it. hopefully. I think I'll
We'll
be
see.
all right. He's got a party to go to. He'll be able to function, so that's good. I think that's gonna be it. So we got a lot more peppers starting to grow over there. We'll be doing more of these. I'll be bringing Chas in, some other people in. Even be bringing some people that don't necessarily eat hot things, and they'll be eating stuff like scorpions and ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers, just because I like to torture my friends.
Burps do suck.
I haven't had that yet. Okay, that'll be it, and I'll see you guys next time.